Hello and welcome to the channel. The All Progressives Congress APC and the Osun State House of Assembly has attacked the newly inaugurated governor of the state, Adeleke, over his first acts as governor of the state. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. APC Assembly tackle Adeleke as governor sacks 12,000 workers. The All Progressives Congress and the Osun State House of Assembly have tackled the new Osun State Governor Adeleke over the 6 executive orders he signed on Monday. They condemned the new governor for reversing some appointments and job recruitment made by his predecessor, Boyega Oyetola. In his first official action as governor, Adeleke, who was elected under the People's Democratic Party platform, announced the sacking of alleged 12,000 workers employed by his predecessor. He also deposed 3 monarchs and allegedly ordered the withdrawal of the certificate of return of local council chairmen elected under the APC in the October 15 local government elections conducted by the State Independent Electoral Commission. The decision to withdraw their certificates of return was contained in a statement signed by the OSIEC Executive Secretary Adejumo in Oshogbo on Monday. The Punch reports that Justice Nathaniel Ayo Emmanuel last Friday nullified the council election, citing non-compliance with the 2022 Electoral Act following a case filed by the PDP against OSIEC, APC, and some of its chairmanship candidates. The court held that the Electoral Commission did not comply with the provisions of Sections 24 of OSIEC Law 2022 and Section 28 of the Electoral Act 2022, which mandated it to give a notice of 360 days before the conduct of the election. Furthermore, the governor abolished the State of Osun appellation, which was promulgated by one of his predecessors, Ralph Aregbesola, froze the state accounts, reversed the appointment of 30 permanent secretaries by Oyetola, while promising to correct past injustices, corrupt acts, and bad policies of the immediate past administration. Earlier, the secretary to the state government, Teslim Igbalaye, announced the suspension of the chairman of the Osun State Independent Electoral Commission, Mr. Segun Oladitan, alongside 6 members of the commission with immediate effect. The suspension was said to have been based on several petitions bordering on financial impropriety, dereliction of duty, absenteeism, and abuse of office against the said chairman and members of the commission. The statement read, "The Executive Governor of Osun State, Senator Ademola Jackson Nuruddin Adeleke, has directed the immediate suspension of the chairman of the Osun State Independent Electoral Commission, Mr. Segun Oladitan, and the following members of the commission: Mr. Yusuf Oyeniran, Alhaja Suibat Adubi, Prince Yinka Ajiboye, Mrs. Abosede Omibeku, Mr. Dosu Gidigbi, and Mr. Wahab Adewoyin." This suspension is sequel to several petitions bordering on financial impropriety, dereliction of duty, absenteeism, and abuse of office against the said chairman and members of the commission. Pending the outcome of an investigation into the allegations against the suspended chairman and members of the commission, the secretary to the commission shall hold forth in running the affairs of the commission. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn the notification bell on. Thank you. But the National Vice Chairman Southwest of the All Progressives Congress, Mr. Isaac Kekemeke, faulted Adeleke's actions, noting that his predecessor's tenure did not end with the new governor's electoral victory on July 17. Kekemeke, in a statement on Monday, admonished Adeleke to exercise authority with sobriety in order to avoid endless litigation and distractions. He said, "Governor Adeleke shouldn't be too excited. Government is a continuum and is bound by contractual relationships duly entered into by competent authorities. One thing Adeleke has probably and sadly overlooked is that Oyetola's administration did not end with the announcement of his victory by the Independent National Electoral Commission. Oyetola and no other person was still governor between July 17th and November 26th, 2022. The right to continuously review government programs and activities must be exercised objectively and with sobriety, as to do otherwise will be caught in distractions through endless litigation and agitation. Adeleke was governor-elect between that period, while Oyetola remained governor with unhindered powers to exercise the functions of that office as he deems fit, albeit legally. Also taking up the governor on his actions, the Osun State House of Assembly said it rejected the content of the executive orders signed by the new helmsman. This was contained in a statement signed by the chairman, House Committee on Media and Publicity, Moshood Akande. The Assembly insisted that the state anthem, crest and flag were all backed by law, adding that their usage remains a matter of law and not optional. The statement read, "The State of Osun House of Assembly, having reviewed the inaugural speech of the governor and the activities of the inauguration, hereby resolves as follows. The usage of the state anthem, crest, and flag is an enactment of law, and as such, its usage is a matter of law and not choice. The enactment State of Osun Anthem, Crest, and Flag Law 2012, assented to on the 18th of December 2012, contained in Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which carefully details every component of this law, is not in ambiguity. Schedule 1 is the state anthem. Schedule 2 has to do with the state crest. Schedule 3 is the symbolic significance of the element in the flag. Lastly, while we are aware of a court judgment in effect recognizing Osun State, the Assembly, pending the determination and exhaustion of all legal means, will not be drawn into this matter. However, the state shall and will continue to be described as the state of the virtuous Ipinle Omoluabi." Explaining further the content of the executive order signed on Monday by Adeleke, a spokesperson, Olawale Rashid, in a statement said the 6 orders assented to by the governor cover the appointment of workers, monarchs, among others. He also said 4 committees had been instituted to review and audit appointments and promotions: State Assets, Inventory, and Recovery Committee, Contractors, MOUs and Agreements Review Committee, Chieftaincy Matters and Appointment of Traditional Rulers Review Committee. According to him, the governor has also reversed all appointments in the service of Osun State government made into any capacity in all the ministries, departments, agencies, commissions, boards, and parastatals after July 17. That's the news, guys. Bye.